This water is coming from the Annapurna mountain, Annapurna, MBC, all the other mountains. The trial is very hard. My bag feels heavier today, I don't know why. It's cold also. Wow. And the dog is still following me. Buddy, are you coming with me till ABC? Huh?